How to add another Gmail account in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to add another Gmail account in Android, simply launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and then tap on the option of Google over here at the bottom. So just tap on Google and then select on the email ID that you have been logged in right now. So as you tap on it, here you can see the option of add another account. So tap on add another account, and when you do that, tap on Google. And as you tap on Google, it will start checking information and you just have to verify yourself. So after doing that, simply wait for a while and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. So here you can just enter your login credentials, that is your email or your phone number or your ID, and then just enter your password, and then you'll be able to add your Gmail account on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.